This video has helped to support the HiSET Free Practice Exam number 7, problem number 16. If you haven't had a chance to read and attempt this problem, go ahead and do that now by pausing this video. Okay, so in this problem, basically we're looking at we're looking at a spinner with a 12-inch in diameter. She's going to divide it as in the picture. What's the area in square inches of section C? So I want to look at, okay, section C is this piece right here. So right there, I know it's 45 degrees. I have to know a few things to solve this. 1, I need the area of a circle. Okay. 2, I have to know 45 degrees is what portion of the whole thing. Okay. Area of a circle, you don't have to memorize that. On the formula sheet that you're going to be given for the HiSET, the area of a circle is given to you. So you just have to know pi, and you have to know what the radius is. So the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. I'm going to write that down over here. It's pi times the radius squared. And I don't even have to know what pi is because all of my answers are in terms of pi. So basically, I just have to know what my radius is. All right, the whole thing is 12 in diameter. Diameter means it's all the way across. So if all the way across it's 12, then this radius, the radius is going to be 6. Okay, if all the diameter is 12, the radius is 6. So in plugging this in, I have my area is going to be pi times 6 squared. And again, you're going to have a calculator if you don't know what 6 squared is, but that's 36 times pi is that whole thing all the way around. Okay, so I know that it's going to be less than 36 pi, so let's just start eliminating things. So I know it can't be 144 and it can't be 36, it's going to be less than that. So already I've eliminated it down to 3. So now I want to see, well, if it was 90 degrees, well, let's say if it was 180, it would be half. So from here to here, all the way across, that's going to be a half circle. So let's just say 36 pi divided by 2 is going to give me 2 goes into 30, 15, 2 goes into 6, 3, so 18 pi. So I know it's going to be less than that. So that's 180. That would be 180 degrees would be 18 pi. Okay. If you're still not sure, I'm like, but actually it's half of that again would be 90. Okay, so half the 180 degrees would be 18 pi divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is going to give me 9 pi. Okay, so it's still less than 9. All of these are still less than 9. Would be 90. Okay, but 45 degrees, if I draw this 90 here, is actually half of 90. So I'm going to say 45 degrees would be that 90 divided by 2. So 9 pi divided by 2. Well, 9 divided by 2, these are all in decimal form. So 9 divided by 2, 4.5 pi would be 45 degrees. Oops, we can't see that. So 4.5 pi would be 45 degrees. Notice how I just kept dividing it by 2. So half of the circle is going to be half of 360, 18. Half of 180 is 90. Half of 18 is 9 pi. Half of 90 is 45. Half of 9 pi is 4.5. So my correct answer is going to be C, 4.5. I hope this helps. If you need more problems like this, go ahead and look at the measurement and geometry resources, specifically Standard 2.